President Muhammadu Buhari has been called upon to review the decision by the All Progressives Congress to zone the leadership of the 9th National Assembly to the northeast and the southwest. Addressing a World Press Conference in Abuja, Deputy President of the National Youth Council of Nigeria, Innocent Nduanya, made the case for inclusion of the southeast into the race for NAS leadership. He said the call became necessary in view of the negative perception the present arrangement is already generating in the country.
The NYCM believes that with his renewed mandate, President Muhammadu Buhari and APC have the opportunity to course correct the pitfalls of the past 4 years. With this in mind, we feel that to course correct the perception of exclusion and marginalization, it is only imperative that the President become aware that his criteria fit perfectly a candidate from the southeast, and he is no other person than the Right Honorable Chukwuemeka Nwajuba, a Christian, a Buharist, a long-suffering party member.
If you look at what is actually playing out today, you will find out that Southeast has been technically or politically removed from everything that has to do with Nigeria's structure of leadership. And for us, that is not balanced, that is not fair.
We want Mr. President to use this a second time to ensure that Nigerians are justly treated. Nigeria is not meant for a particular region, neither is meant for a particular tribe.
The 9th National Assembly is scheduled to be sworn in June 2019. Sagir Ibrahim, CNN News.